Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Blink Outdoor Camera. Firstly, download the Blink Home Monitor app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new Blink account using your email and password. Now plug the sync module into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router and open the app, tap the plus icon, sync the module and scan the QR code on the module. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect the sync module to your Wi-Fi. You will see a blue and green light on the module when it's connected successfully. Now insert two AA batteries into the camera. In the Blink app, tap the plus icon, then select Blink Wireless Camera and scan the QR code inside the camera. The camera will flash red to indicate it's powered on. Select the system for the camera and wait for the camera to be added successfully and it will show you a message. Now, choose a location that captures your desired area while being out of reach from intruders. Use the included mounting bracket and screws to secure the camera or place it on a flat surface using the stand and adjust the angle for the best view. In the Blink app, go to camera settings and adjust motion detection, video quality, recording length, and arm or disarm schedule. Then save your settings and test by walking in front of the camera. Now trigger the motion sensor by moving in front of the camera. Check the clip roll in the Blink app to see the recorded footage, then make sure you receive motion alerts on your phone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.